Hey y'all, I'm gonna make this video for my buddy Rich. He's always interested to know what I'm working on. I've got a old Robbins and Meyers motor here. This is a direct current motor from 1904. And you can see where the brushes go in here, and there's the commutator right there. And this was sent to me for new bearings, which it needs very bad. So I'll do that. I'll get into this thing, see what else it needs. Maybe have to replace these brush sleeves and the insulators right here too. Usually those insulators are cracked up real bad. You can't get them off. I see the threads are messed up real bad on here, so probably gonna have to at least clean that up. Maybe try to save these, or we'll just make some new ones. All right. I'm gonna have to dress this shaft just a little bit. I cleaned this thing up and just enough to get some of the dirt and crud off the armature here. But the back end of this thing is tapered pretty bad, and you can see how it's cut. It's cut into the shaft, and you can look at it and see right along the edges right here how bad it is. Getting about 0.355 out here, and up to about 370, which is where it ought to be up on this end up here. So I'm going to end up having to dress this down just a little bit, and maybe not quite enough to get it all smooth, but certainly enough that we can get it to where it'll run good in a bearing. And I'll just make the idea of the bearing. Since this is the rear end of the motor, it's not going to matter if it's a few thousandths under. Okay, so I've got the armature chucked up in the lathe, and we're running 0 right here as far as the OD of the armature, but we got some run out on the shaft right here, and I just wanted to show. We got the low set on 0. There's our low spot right there on 0. So as we turn this thing around, you can see that we go up to about 30 thousandths before it starts coming back down. So we're running about 30 thousandths out on this shaft right here. The shaft's bent a little bit, so I'm gonna see if I can straighten this shaft out. All right, stand by. Okay, I've been working on this shaft here, and I've got it now that it's in pretty much, let me back off so you can see me rotating. It's running within about a couple of thousandths here now, so you can see it's loaded up. As I bring the indicator in, we'll go in and we'll find the center. So there's the center of our part right there. We're right over top dead center. And as I rotate around, you'll see I'm within about a thousandths. It's got one little spot right there where it's out about 2. But other than that, it's running pretty good. So we're gonna go with that. Hey Evan, so here's looking at the brush sleeve right here. You see where this side here has been bent. It's flat right there, and these threads are pretty messed up. These insulators, I'm sure, is brittle. I'm probably not going to be able to get this out without these crumbling all to pieces. So if we start messing with these things, and here's this insulator here's got a piece broke out of it. If we start messing with these things, it's probably going to mean making a whole new, all that, the brush sleeve, the brush insulators. I don't know if you have brush caps or if you need them, brushes and springs. All that's going to add, quite a bit more to the final cost. Hey Evan, one more thing I'll point out to you real quick. These little pieces right here, your original ones were bent so bad that they just wouldn't thread into the new bearings. So I ended up see how flattened they are. They've been mashed, and they just were not usable. So I went ahead and made those along with the new bearings. So I was just going to show you that little detail right there. And here's some of your old bearings that come out from in there. There's your oilers. Stuff in this goes with that motor there. So just wanted to show you that. All right. Hey guys, it's been a little while since I've put up a video, so I'm going to try to get this one up here. I've got a Robbins and Meyers motor here. It's a direct current only, 220 volt, and I think this is like 1904. Was sent to me for bearing work, and once I got into it, I found that the shaft, the armature shaft, was bent, and it was running out like 30-something thousandths. So it took me a good little while of messing with that thing to get that thing back running true again. But I got all new bearings in it. I made a bunch of parts and pieces. There's some of the old stuff that come out from in there. But I made all new brush sleeves, the insulators, the brush caps. I made new brushes and wound new springs for it. So it's all back together and everything's looking real good. So this project is complete. Thank y'all for watching.